In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a mini electric chainsaw from the company VELOTREX. How about that? The good old VELOTREX. And this is the box it came in. A very nice, sturdy, kind of a plastic box here. So we'll just open it up. It's got a couple little hinges right here. And I've used different types of small electric chainsaws, so I kind of know my way around them here. But I'm just going to show you everything you get with this one. You get a little set of instructions there, but honestly, guys, there's not much to this thing. You get the unit itself, which I've already taken it out and kind of tested it and verified everything was working on it. You get a charger, and the charger goes right in the 21-volt batteries. They plug right in the back. If you look right there, they'll plug in there. Now, these do have a battery indicator light. You can see right here, this one's fully charged, so that's the one I'm going to use. There's the charger. You get a second 21-volt battery, and I'll open it up and show you that one. And it is fully charged also. So I got them both fully charged. You get a little small Phillips head screwdriver, and that's for adjusting random stuff like that right there. You get an extra bar. So this is a 6-inch bar, just like this one. This is a 6-inch bar with a chain on it. You get a spare 6-inch chain, a pair of gloves. How do you like that? The good old white glove treatment. A pair of safety glasses. You know what? Always wear your safety glasses. And a little cleaning brush. This cleaning brush is to clean down inside there. Let me go ahead, put all this stuff up, get the battery on there, and then I'll show you how to add the oil in it, and then also how to tighten and loosen up the blade or change the blade and chain on this thing. So let's do that now. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let me show you how to change and tighten the blade. So you're just going to basically loosen that screw. So a toolless entry on this thing, lift that up. You can see right there how that works. So if you want to take it off, you'll just remove it just like that. So see how I can take the chain off, take off the bar and all that. Let me go ahead and put all this back on there. Okay, so that's how you change the actual bar and the small chain on there. To tighten the chain, you see that screw right down there. I don't know how well you can see it in the camera. Take the supplied Phillips head screwdriver. Now I can loosen and tighten up. You can see I put a couple little turns on there. That's pretty tight. I like that. So the chain's fine right there. Let's put the battery on there and try it out. When you do, it's got a button right here, and this is a right-hand control button. Hold down right there. That sounds pretty good. Take the battery off, because what I'm going to do now is add some bar and chain oil. So let me grab my funnel here. That is a real small hole, by the way. But I think my funnel just barely fits in there. Now, by the way, you don't need much of this. I mean, you just barely need a little bit. That's it. I think I might already overfilled it. You just need just a small amount. I do this every time, it seems like. So just like that. Now, this is not an automatic oiler. To oil the chain, you're just going to have to pump this. When you pump that, oh, that already sounds different. That seems to work. That sounds pretty good. Let's go over here. Let me get the gloves on. Let's go over here and let's cut some wood. Okay, so I got me a piece of wood here. Now, this can usually cut up to, you can see this right here is definitely within its capabilities, and it has a kind of kickback bar right there. So let's go ahead. Let's start getting it. Get the oil circulating in there. This is no easy task for any little small chainsaw. Wow, okay, well, there you go. You can see right here how that went through that. I don't have any pine currently, but this thing will blow through pine trees. This is really hard wood. Just cuts right through. So there it is. There's some hardwood. Let me see if I can find some softwood. Okay, so I have a 2x4 here. Now, I have cut on this 2x4. Hopefully, I don't hit a nail in there. Let's see how well it works on a 2x4. Let me get it up right. There we go. Oh, yeah, that feels good. That's working. Let me try that again. It's hard to hold it. Luckily, I have the gloves they sent with me. How about that? Well, there you go. It cut through a 2x4. I've got a little small tree limb over here. Let's go cut that. Let's try to cut this tree. Oh, I didn't even know there's a light on this thing, everybody. Oh, yeah, that's working great. And the fact that you have a backup battery, so if you go through a battery, you could easily put the second battery on there. Let's try this little limb right here. See the light on there? That's cool. Wow, it definitely blows through those little kind of 1 inch and 2 inch limbs. So yeah, I don't see any issues at all with this saw. I will be using it off and on throughout my kind of travels. I think this would be great for like at a campsite, or maybe just kind of like around the yard if you're knocking down some bushes or some tree limbs. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the VELOTREX, mini chainsaw. See you all in the next video.